Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today I have the ultimate Airpods Pro Kit. So you just got your Airpods Pro and you need some accessories for your good old AirPod Pros. This is the kit you need to get. Alright, all links to these products will be in the description. Let's check them out. Alright, so we got 3 different colors. You got your own little protective shell thing for all of your stuff. You can put your AirPods in there too. Open it up. You get a case right here. High quality, heavy duty little case right here. Protects pretty much everything. And you also get the accessories. Open this boy up. You get a little brush to brush off your AirPods and keep them clean. I gotta say, this is the anti-static one, so it works really well. Clean them up, make sure they're looking fresh. Then the next thing we got is a little rope to attach your case to it. You also get a carabiner, which also serves pretty much as the same solution. You get 2 of those. And then you also get, so actually these are pretty useful. They're like mainly for running, I'd say, but like you can put the earbuds in here and here. And then my favorite part is they're magnetic. So they can stick together like this. You just hang them around your neck, and then when you need to take them out, like you're talking to someone or something, they connect right here and you're chilling. Definitely a cool little feature. Alright, let's look through some of the other colors. They all have the same accessories, but they do have different cases. Alright, so this is the purple case. They fit nicely right here. Pretty bulky case, probably wouldn't be my favorite, but it's a really high quality one. Gives you drop protection, and I really like it. Now for the last pouch, this one's by far my favorite. This is the one I rock on my AirPods every single day. This is the clear case, my favorite. Pop it on right here, and right there. Not too thick, looks clean. I like it, my favorite. Also with this one you get a clear band thing, but ultimately all the same accessories. One thing I do wish that was included in this set was like some kind of foam ear tips or other ear tips that you can attach, but other than that, they pretty much got everything you need. I definitely recommend it. Link in the description.